All right, this next problem is what we call a mixture problem, and it involves, in this case, mixing two different kinds of candy together, okay? So it says two brands of candy. One of them is, were mixed in a 10-pound gift box costing $14.55. Brand X costs $1.50 per pound, and brand Y costs $1.35 per pound. How many pounds of each brand were in the gift box? Okay, so we're just going to kind of define our variables here. First of all, we're going to say X is how many pounds of brand X that you have. And we'll say Y is how many pounds of brand Y that you have. All right, so now we need to kind of make some equations. So it says I'm mixing two brands of candy to make 10 pounds, okay? So basically I'm taking, I don't know how many pounds of brand X, and I don't know how many pounds of brand Y, but when I mix those two, however many pounds of X and however many pounds of Y I have, I get 10 pounds total, okay? Then you're going to make another sentence that has to do with cost. So it costs you $1.50 for every pound of brand X that you have. So your next one would be $1.50 for every pound of brand X plus $1.35 for every pound of brand Y. And then your total cost would be $14.55. Okay, so there's your two equations. You can choose to solve this however you want. I think most people will probably, well, you could do elimination and that would be no problem. I'm guessing that a lot of people will do substitution. And so I'm just going to take this equation right here and I'm going to get it solved for Y. So that equation, if I move the X to the other side, would turn into Y equals negative X plus 10. Okay, so now I'm going to take that. I will go to the opposite equation and I will plug it in. So I will have $1.50x plus $1.35 times negative x plus 10 equals $14.55. And of course you will simplify this by distributing. So I'm going to have $1.50x plus $1.35 times negative x actually would be negative $1.35x. $1.35 times 10 would be $13.50 equals $14.55. Okay, now you'll combine your like terms here, and if I combine these two right here, then I have 15.15, and I'll subtract $13.50. So when I take $14.55 and subtract $13.50, then I have $1.05, and I will divide by 0.15, and x comes out to be 7, okay? And again, we're going to put this in context here. I don't want you to just tell me x equals 7 because I don't know what that means. So we'll come back to that in a minute. And then I will take that and I will plug it up in here. And y would be negative 7 plus 10. And so y would be 3. Okay, so there's my solutions, but I really want this in context. So I want you to say something like this. 7 pounds of brand X and 3 pounds of brand Y. Okay, so don't just give me a solution, tell me what your solution means, because that's what's important, okay?